Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English lesson podcast. I'm Mr. J, and I'm here today with my friend and co-host, May. How are you today, May?
Hi, Mr. J. I am doing great. Well, actually, I am a little tired. I had a very busy weekend.
Oh, did you go to many parties?
No, that is the problem. My friend invited me to a big party on Saturday. I really wanted to stay home and rest, but I didn't know how to say no politely. So I said, "No, I can't."
Oh, dear. How did your friend react?
She looked a bit sad. I think I sounded a bit mean or too direct.
You're right, May. In English, just saying no, I can't, or I don't want to, can sound very harsh or blunt. It can make the other person feel a bit bad, even if you don't mean to be rude.
Exactly. I want to be a nice person, but I also need to say no sometimes. It's about social intelligence, right?
Precisely. Today, we are talking about the art of the polite refusal. We're going to learn how to use a soft no. This helps you set boundaries and say no while staying very likable and friendly.
That sounds perfect for me. I need to learn these softening phrases so I can keep my friends happy and keep my own time too.
That is the goal. You see, in many cultures, saying no is handled differently. In English-speaking cultures, we often use more words to make the no feel softer and kinder. It's not just about the grammar, it's about the feeling behind the words.
The feeling? That's interesting. So it's not just about being correct, it's about being warm?
Yes, exactly. We want to show the other person that we appreciate the invitation, even if we cannot go.
I'm ready to learn. What is the first secret to a soft no?
Well, the first secret is something we call the appreciation start. Instead of starting with the word no, we start with a thank you.
Oh, a thank you? That sounds much more polite than just saying no. So I should say thanks even if I cannot go?
Yes, exactly. It shows you appreciate that they thought of you. We call this the appreciation start. You can say something like, I'd love to, but, or thanks for asking, however.
I like that. I'd love to. Makes it sound like I really want to be there, even if I have to stay home. It really changes the feeling of the sentence. It's not just about the grammar, it's about being kind. But what if I actually want to go, just not today?
In that case, you can use a very popular English phrase, the rain check. You say, I can't make it this time, but can we take a rain check?
A rain check? Do I need an umbrella for that?
No. A rain check is just a social nuance. It means you want to do the activity at a later time. It tells your friend, I still like you and I want to see you later. It offers a future hope.
That is so helpful. It keeps the friendship strong. But Mr. J, what if I'm just too busy and tired? Do I have to tell them every single thing I'm doing?
Actually, no. In many Western English-speaking cultures, it is often more polite to be a little indirect or vague. You can use a reasonable excuse without giving too many personal details.
Vague? So I don't have to say, I'm staying home to wash my hair and watch TV.
No, you don't need to say that. Instead, you can use phrases that show you are busy. For example, you could say, I've got a lot on my plate right now.
A lot on my plate, like at a buffet?
Not quite. It means you have many things to do or many responsibilities. It's a very common way to say you are busy in a soft way. Or you can say, I have a prior commitment.
Prior commitment. That sounds very professional. Does it just mean I already have plans?
Exactly. It's a polite, slightly formal way to say you are busy with something else. It helps you set boundaries gracefully.
I see. So instead of being blunt and direct, which can sound harsh, I use these softening phrases to be more polite. In some cultures, being direct is good, But in English, being indirect is often seen as more polite?
That's right, May. It's all about the social intelligence of the language. Using these phrases keeps the relationship smooth and avoids sounding rude.
I think I'm starting to understand the feeling now. It's like a soft pillow instead of a hard wall.
That's a great way to put it. Now, let's look at how this works in a real-life situation. Are you ready to practice, May?
Oh, I am always ready to practice. But Mr. J, it is very interesting that we use so many words just to say no. Why is that?
That is a great question. In many English-speaking cultures, being very direct can sometimes feel a bit like a push or a hit to the other person. By being indirect, meaning we don't say the word no immediately, we show respect for the other person's requests and their feelings.
So it's about social intelligence. We are being soft to keep the relationship healthy and good.
Exactly. It makes the workplace or our friendships much more comfortable. Speaking of work, let's try our first role play simulation. In this scenario, I will be your boss, and you are, well, you.
Okay, I am at my desk. It is Friday afternoon, and I am getting ready to go home.
Hi, May. Sorry to bother you. We have a small emergency with the new project. Can you stay late this Friday evening to help me finish it?
Oh, I'd love to help with the project, but I have a prior commitment this evening.
Wow, May, that was perfect. You used the appreciation start by saying you would love to help, and then you used the reasonable excuse to stay vague and professional.
It felt much better than saying, no, I want to go to the cinema.
Yes, it sounds very professional. Even as your boss, I don't feel bad because you were so polite and firm at the same time.
I feel more confident already. But what about a social situation? You know, with friends.
That is a bit different because friends are more casual. Let's try another scenario to see how the feeling changes.
I'm ready. I really struggled with this last weekend, so I want to get it right this time.
Okay, imagine it is Saturday night. I'm calling you on the phone. Hey, May, I'm having a big party at my house tonight. Everyone is coming. You have to come. It's going to be so much fun.
Oh, hi, Jay. Thanks so much for inviting me. I'd love to celebrate with everyone, but I've got a lot on my plate right now, and I am feeling a bit tired. Can we take a rain check and maybe grab coffee next week instead?
That was excellent, May. You used the appreciation start to show you were happy I asked. Then you gave a reasonable excuse that wasn't too specific. Finally, you used the rain check to show you still want to see me in the future.
It felt so much more natural. I didn't feel mean at all. I felt like I was being a good friend while also taking care of myself.
That is exactly the point of a soft no. It allows you to stay likable while being firm with your boundaries. In English, we use these phrases to keep the conversation warm even when we have to say no.
I feel like I have a new superpower. No more feeling guilty for staying home.
It really is a superpower. Let's quickly review what we learned today. First, start with appreciation. Second, keep your reason vague if you need to. And third, offer a rain check if you want to see them another time.
Those are great tools for any English learner. I hope our listeners find them as helpful as I did.
I'm sure they will. If you enjoyed this lesson on the soft no, please let us know.
Yes, please leave a comment and tell us about a time you had to say no. Was it difficult for you? And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a lesson.
We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep practicing your English and stay polite.
Goodbye, everyone.